Everyone, my name is Terry Mack. Welcome again to my channel. I'm so grateful to be here once again. I'm very sorry because I haven't been able to upload videos as frequent as I am supposed to be doing. But well, I'm grateful to be here once again. And yeah, I know and understand everyone outside there that we are going through a global crisis, and you all know we are going through a coronavirus bug that has affected all parts of the world, and hugely affected being currently the US going to Europe. So I'm here to spread other measures. I did post a video previously on measures that we are supposed to give or to do, and that's why I am here once again. Forgive me for not bringing the common lessons that I do, but I think it's very essential to put this message outside there, especially to our community and to people outside the world, and let them know about the current situation we are going through and the measures that are being told, that are being helpful to us. Now we're going to go through some of the common words that are used, and I'm gonna teach you how we call these words in Kikuyu. So stick around and let's get started. The first thing we are going to learn, I think I already taught in the last lesson, was disease, which we say a disease is called morimo. Morimo. If I'm talking about coronavirus disease, I will say morimo wa corona. Morimo wa corona. Morimo wa corona. Or I can say coronavirus disease. Morimo wa coronavirus. Morimo wa coronavirus. Now, I'm going to go through the next word, and this is stay at home. This being one of the major measures that we are requested to follow. And stay at home, in Kikuyu we say ikara moshie. Ikara moshie. Stay at home. Avoid crowds. Avoid going out, and avoid carelessly walking outside. Stay at home. Ikara moshie. Nimurahoyo inyuothe moikare meshie-inĩ yanyu. Nimurahoyo, you are being requested, inyuothe, all of you, moikare meshie-inĩ yanyu, to stay at your homes. You are being requested, all of you globally, to stay at home. Stay indoors, stay at home. Let's work together in flattening the curve. Let's work together in fighting this virus before all of us get infected and start suffering from the consequences. So, what do we say? Ikara moshie. Ikara moshie. Or ikarai meshie-inĩ. Ikarai meshie-inĩ. That is when you are talking to a big group of people, or in plural tense. Ikarai meshie-inĩ. Meshie-inĩ or moshie meaning home. Ikara, stay. Ikarai moshie. Ikarai meshie-inĩ. Meshie-inĩ. Ikarai meshie-inĩ. Now let's go ahead. The next word that is very commonly used at this time of this corona crisis is to be affected. How do I say that in Kikuyu? How do I say I was affected? No, to be infected, infected. I was infected. Kogwatio, dagwatirio, ne modo. I was infected by a person. We know very well this virus is contracted from one person to the other, being that's saying it's contagious. It is infected. It infects one person and the other person contracts it to another person or gets infected from another person. So we talk about this in Kikuyu and say kogwatio, nidagwatirio corona virus, nidagwatirio coronavirus. I was infected with coronavirus, or I contracted the virus from someone else, or basically meaning contagiously, or you contained it from someone else. Kugwatio. Now, the next thing we learn is during this crisis, let's not forget, or let's be very honest and literally speaking, people have been buying excessively, buying out of panic, buying heavy and lots of food stuff. So how do I say that in Kikuyu? Basically, what is panic shopping or excessive buying of food? How do we say that? Kogoraido, adu ni makoretwo makigura indo nyingi mono. Ogori waido, buying excessively, or panic shopping. Ogori waido, kogora ido nyingi, kogorairio nyingi, kogora is buying, ido things, nyingi more or a lot or excessively, or kogorairio nyingi, kogora buying, irio food, nyingi a lot, excessively many food and all that. Ogori waido nyingi, andũ nĩ makoretwo nogori waido nyingi, or andũ people nĩ makoretwo nogori wairio nyingi. People have been buying a lot of food. People have been doing panic shopping. So wherever you are, stop that behavior. Remember, we have to think about everyone in this continent, in our surrounding. So when we buy a lot of stuff or a lot of food for ourselves, then we are trying to show the world how egoistic we are. And during such a crisis, this is when we're supposed to be thinking about other people. Let's be very, very loyal and diplomatic to the world, to our neighbors and everyone else. Remembering we have sick people, older people who cannot go to the shops on daily basis. So when we buy things, we buy all things, or we get the biggest share of the cake. What are our other people gonna get? Basically, they won't get anything. So let's stop that behavior. Now, the next thing is the lockdown. How do we say we are having a lockdown, or the movement restrictions, or a shutdown? Kogirio kumaja, or kogirio is basically to be restricted to do something. Kogirio, or to be forbidden. Kogirio kumaja, restrictions of going outside or restrictions of movement or curfews. Kogirio kumaja, Kenya negiretie ado kumaja kuma thaa 11 nginya thaa 1 ya hwaini. Kenya negiretie ado kumaja kuma thaa 11 nginya thaa 1 hwaini. Kenya has restricted or has given restriction movements of people starting from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Kogirio kumaja, or what is called a curfew. Kogirio kumaja, kogirio godie, kogirio korora. Korora meaning moving around. Kogirio korora. Now the next word we are going to see, the other thing we're going to learn is to be tested. How do I say that in Kikuyu? I want to be tested. How do I say to be tested? Godimo, godimo, nidireda godimo morimo wa corona. Nidireda godimo morimo wa corona. Nidireda, I want godimo to be tested. Morimo wa corona, coronavirus disease. Nidireda godimo morimo wa corona. Godimo meaning to be tested. Or I can tell someone, go and get tested. Diogadimo, die ogadimo, dio ogadimo, diogadimo, diogadimo morimo wa corona, or diogadimo morimo wa coronavirus. Godimo. Now, we said godimo meaning getting tested or to be tested. So when I get tested, I either have it or not. That means I am either coronavirus positive or corona negative. So what is it? What is positive? What is a corona positive test? Wena corona. Godimo wena corona. Corona positive. Wena corona. That is godimo coronavirus positive. Wena corona, that means you are positive. Dore na corona. Dore, you are negative, meaning you are coronavirus negative. You don't have the virus. It was not, they could not find it in your body. So, dore na corona. Wena corona, dera the miruo na dironwo dena morimo wa corona. I was tested and they found out I have coronavirus, or you can say I was tested and they found out I am corona positive. Wena corona, dorina corona, meaning positive corona and negative corona on the other hand. Now, this brings me to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you again for supporting this channel, and a huge welcome to the new subscribers that have been subscribing in the past, or who are still subscribing. I so much appreciate that. I hope you are able to benefit from this channel, and I hope we can grow and become a big family and help each other in getting to know this language. Remember, it is free of charge to learn Kikuyu in my channel, in my YouTube channel right here. So don't hesitate, click in the videos, and first of all, subscribe to the channel and get to know what is going on. I have various topics on Kikuyu learning, so you can choose whichever you want, whichever you feel comfortable, whichever is needy for you, and get yourself started. So I hope you are safe wherever you are. I hope you are taking the measures that are being implemented by the state wherever you are living in this world. And let's continue being positive. Let's continue teaming up together in fighting this virus. And yeah, till we meet again next time, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and have a nice evening.